Welcome back. The big story. The two Indian traders who are trapped in a hotel in China because of a dispute with Chinese businessmen have spoken out to NDTV. They have given a harrowing account of what they have been going through ever since the dispute started. The traders say they were kidnapped and assaulted by enraged Chinese traders. They say they will commit suicide in the next 24 hours if the Indian government doesn't give them protection in China. The two Indian traders, who are employees of a trading company, are accused of owing the Chinese suppliers a reported $1 million. They are now holed up in a hotel in EU. But earlier, the Chinese ambassador visited the foreign ministry in New Delhi and met senior officials. He has assured India of all help to get the traders released. In fact, criminal action is now being taken against the 5 Chinese businessmen who took them hostage.
义乌市公安机关已经对此前涉嫌非法拘禁5名犯罪嫌疑人采取了刑事强制措施，相关的案情正在进一步的调查之中。有关媒体关于印度驻沪总领馆领事官员。
24 hours after he quit Mayawati's party to join the BJP, Babu Singh Kushwaha is being raided by the CBI. Kushwaha was a senior minister in Mayawati's government till November 2011 and was known for his proximity to the chief minister. But on his watch, 2 senior doctors attached to his department were murdered. Another died in prison. He resigned, accepting moral responsibility. Mr. Kushwaha's department had access to Rs 3,500 crore a year, money sent by the centre as part of the National Health Rural Mission, much of which was misused. The CBI has carried out raids at more than 60 places, including Kushwaha's residence in Lucknow, after registering 5 new cases to probe alleged irregularities in the scam. Kushwaha has been named as an accused in one of the 5 FIRs.
We are conducting raids on more than 20 places. 7 बजे से चल रहा था, अभी भी चल रहा है. परिवार is wife and children.
बाबू सिंह कुशवाहा यहाँ पर नहीं है.
The raids have triggered another round of political crossfire, with the Congress accusing the BJP of shielding the corrupt and the BJP accusing the centre of using the CBI as a tool. Top BJP leaders are currently meeting at party chief Gadkari's home to decide on tainted candidates. This, as reports are emerging about a sharp divide within the BJP leadership over taking an MLA with a criminal record on board. Sources say in the election committee meeting, almost all leaders including Sushma and Jaitley had opposed it. In fact, BJP MP Kirit Somaiya had complained to the CBI about Kushwaha. The Congress has taken pot shots at Advani and his Rath Yatra against corruption.
बाबू सिंह कुशवाहा जी पिछड़े वर्ग के बहुत बड़ा नेता है। मायावती जी ने उनको पार्टी से बाहर किया है क्योंकि वो पिछड़े वर्गों का आवाज बन चुके थे। यदि कांग्रेस हमारे ऊपर आरोप कर रही है, हम पूछना चाहेंगे कांग्रेस पार्टी चिदंबरम के खिलाफ क्यों सीबीआई से पूछताछ नहीं करवा रही है?
The family of Indian student Anuj Bidwe are headed to UK today. Anuj's parents and brother-in-law left for Mumbai, from where they will board a flight to UK. They are expected to arrive in Greater Manchester today. Meanwhile, body of Anuj Bidwe has been released to the Indian embassy. It has been handed over to funeral company and will be sent to India on Friday after the arrival of family members. A Belgian-born Indian showcases her Bharatanatyam skills in front of an Indian audience. More when we come back.